Hello everyone, and welcome back to Banana Life. Today, we're going to dive deep into a topic that's essential for many people on their fitness journey: how to build muscle mass effectively. Building muscle isn't just about lifting heavy weights, it involves a combination of proper nutrition, strategic workouts, adequate rest, and consistency. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine your approach, this comprehensive discussion will provide you with the insights and strategies you need to build muscle effectively. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the foundation of muscle building, which is understanding the basic principles of muscle growth. Muscle growth, or hypertrophy, occurs when muscle fibers sustain damage or injury from intense exercise, primarily resistance training. The body repairs these fibers by fusing them, which increases the mass and size of the muscles. This repair process is what leads to muscle growth. To maximize muscle growth, it's important to create an environment where your body can effectively repair and grow muscle tissue. One of the most critical aspects of building muscle is your diet. You need to provide your body with the right nutrients to fuel your workouts and repair muscle tissue. Protein is the most crucial nutrient for muscle growth because it provides the building blocks, amino acids, needed to repair and build new muscle tissue. Aim to consume a source of high-quality protein with every meal. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, and plant-based protein sources like tofu, tempeh, and quinoa. In addition to protein, your diet should include adequate amounts of carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates are essential for providing energy during workouts and replenishing glycogen stores in muscles. Opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and legumes. Healthy fats are also important for overall health and hormone production, which can influence muscle growth. Include sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in your diet. Meal timing can also play a role in muscle growth. Consuming protein and carbohydrates before and after your workouts can help maximize muscle repair and growth. A pre-workout meal or snack should be consumed about 1 to 2 hours before exercising and should include a balance of protein and carbohydrates. Post-workout nutrition is crucial for recovery. Aim to consume a meal or snack containing protein and carbohydrates within 30 minutes to 2 hours after your workout. Hydration is another key factor in building muscle. Muscles are made up of about 75% water, and staying hydrated is essential for optimal muscle function and recovery. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Dehydration can impair muscle function and hinder recovery, so make sure to drink enough water to stay hydrated. Now, let's discuss the importance of resistance training in building muscle. Resistance training involves exercises that cause your muscles to contract against an external resistance, such as weights, resistance bands, or your own body weight. To build muscle effectively, focus on compound movements that target multiple muscle groups, such as squats, deadlifts, bench presses, rows, and pull-ups. These exercises recruit more muscle fibers and stimulate greater muscle growth. Progressive overload is a fundamental principle of muscle building. It involves gradually increasing the amount of weight, resistance, or intensity of your workouts to continue challenging your muscles. This can be achieved by increasing the weight you lift, adding more sets or reps, or incorporating more challenging variations of exercises. Progressive overload ensures that your muscles are consistently challenged and continue to grow over time. Consistency is key when it comes to building muscle. Aim to engage in resistance training at least 3 to 4 times per week, focusing on different muscle groups each day to allow for adequate recovery. A well-structured workout plan that includes both compound and isolation exercises can help ensure that all major muscle groups are targeted. Allowing for rest and recovery is equally important, as muscles grow and repair during rest periods. In addition to physical training, getting enough sleep is crucial for muscle growth. During sleep, the body releases growth hormone, which plays a vital role in muscle repair and growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your muscle-building efforts. Establishing a consistent sleep routine and creating a sleep-friendly environment can help improve sleep quality. Managing stress is another important factor in building muscle. Chronic stress can lead to elevated levels of cortisol, a stress hormone that can interfere with muscle growth. Incorporating stress-reducing practices such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, and spending time in nature can help manage cortisol levels and support overall muscle growth. Supplements can also play a role in muscle building, but they should not replace a balanced diet and proper training. Some supplements that may support muscle growth include protein powders, creatine, branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, and omega-3 fatty acids. Protein powders can be a convenient way to increase your protein intake, especially if you have difficulty meeting your protein needs through food alone. Creatine can enhance strength and muscle mass by increasing the availability of energy in muscle cells. BCAAs can help reduce muscle soreness and support muscle repair. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in recovery. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Tracking your progress is essential for staying motivated and making adjustments to your training and nutrition as needed. Keep a workout journal to record the exercises, sets, reps, and weights you use in each workout. Tracking your progress can help you identify areas where you need to increase the intensity or make changes to your routine. It can also provide a sense of accomplishment as you see your strength and muscle mass improve over time. Nutrition, training, and recovery are the cornerstones of muscle building, but there are other factors to consider as well. Hormonal health plays a significant role in muscle growth. Hormones like testosterone and growth hormone are critical for muscle repair and growth. Ensuring that your body has the nutrients and rest it needs to produce these hormones can support your muscle building efforts. Avoiding excessive alcohol consumption and minimizing exposure to environmental toxins can also help maintain hormonal balance. Mindset and mental health are equally important in the muscle building journey. A positive mindset and mental resilience can help you stay motivated and consistent with your training and nutrition. Setting realistic and achievable goals, celebrating your progress, and staying patient can help you stay on track. Surrounding yourself with supportive friends, family, or a fitness community can also provide encouragement and accountability. In summary, building muscle mass effectively involves a combination of proper nutrition, strategic workouts, adequate rest, and consistency. By focusing on a balanced diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, engaging in progressive resistance training, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, managing stress, and tracking your progress, you can create an environment that supports muscle growth. Remember that muscle building is a gradual process that requires dedication and patience. Stay committed to your goals, and you'll see the results of your hard work over time. Thank you for joining me on Banana Life today. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Stay healthy, stay strong, and see you in the next video.